Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. We're going to take a look at a 2018 Equinox, all redesigned for 2018. Extremely popular. It's a great marriage between fuel economy and space. You get a great amount of space in the back. You can fold seats down. You're getting around 30 miles per gallon. It comes in all-wheel drive, front-wheel drive models. You can get cloth seats or leather. You can get powered driver seat. Also, extremely comfortable ride. Many people are telling us that these are much better than previous. Got all your steering wheel controls there. You've got your USBs as well as your DC connectors. And look in the back. Plenty of space. Plenty of space for 3 people to ride comfortably. Those seats will fold down, as I mentioned before, to give you even more space in the back. Now as we come out, we're going to come around the back and open up the back, kind of show you. It has a hydraulic lift on the back gate and has lots of room in the back. Come on down to Bowling Green Chevy and ask for me, Steve K.